Little Vybz Island. Big vibes with the world in my hand.
The general will always be the general. Look. See it?
Put a little pressure on me and so you're brawling. Put your pan and back as no me darling.
Them man have skill till the ball run in them pocket. Bumbo clock, Jamaica alone.
Alright, SummerJam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. People, remember, if for your first time I check out SummerJam TV, we just ask you to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please. Alright, so in this episode, we have Capleton, the fireman, reach over there in Malta, people, Europe to be exact. Fireman reach grass and a shell on a stage show, brawling mega day. So you know what, we go check out that and see how it really connect. We have Vybz Kartel, the world boss, the teacher, reach grass over there in Germany for the SummerJam festival. Man, the whole guys are crew roll out. So we have to go check out the vlog and see how it forward down. You see me I did? We have World Boom as well as Assemble Him Squad. The Kaneka Bounty Killer show at the Barclays tomorrow, July the 5th. We have to go zoom in and see what go on this too as well. You know, I see Joe Bogdanovich roll out one night time. So you know it's a serious ball game. Operation. We have Malie Donn, a US Virgin Island, a tear it off, you know how Malie got to work. So I have to go check out film set and see how it connect. You see me I did? We have Valiant new tune on the storybook Riddim people. I see it a shell on the place one night time. So I have to go get a feature and see what go on there. So you see me I did? I kick it off with Vybz Kartel, the world boss. I roll out now Lambo to touch over Germany. Check it out.
Hey, morning guys. Hey, this is Vybz Kartel. You're traveling with me, but guess what? So we're going to Europe. Come.
Little Vybz Island, big vibes with the world in my hand. Top striker, kick past lines, man. When we done, grab a thick girl nightstand. Her room, now she's my nightstand. 3 condom fish right pan the night long. Yeah, she could die from me, dick in her diaphragm. Germany, me a go Honolulu, me a fly from. Fat pocket.
Guys, it's been fun.
Personal security, bigger tax bracket. Private jet, so TSA no black traffic. Arena, me block it and get Swiss bank me profit. You make your girl take a picture with me, you never know me would I get the pussy. Really? Stop it.
Yo, Vybz Kartel attack. And right now we're on our way to Germany. After Germany, we stop in France. After France, we stop in Amsterdam. After Amsterdam, we stop in London. Wireless. And I see the girl them are wireless. You know what I have to tell them? You pussy got me speaking in proper English. What is under my nose? Yeah, on the way to Europe. We're doing Germany. We're doing Amsterdam. We're doing France. Then we're doing wireless in London. One world boss. Remember them now get my show. Once every 4 months them the show. And if them did I charge my price, them are dead for hungry. What is under my nose? The clouds. Oh, it's a tape. That's an array. They are with nothing.
Yo.
Remember we in Germany, the glory we are going for. Where you say, Mr. Nelson?
Listen me, it's a vibes and a style and a general. I'm a boss. So respect a man
And your bro?
Yeah, my bro. Cause so we do it.
That's
so listen me, I say it there and I just say it there. So work with it.
Yo, that body. Listen, I say it there and I just say it there. And you right there and a pest right there.
Dang.
Boom. What is under we nose?
Yo.
So you see settings family, Lambo roll out, well clean. You catch a plate, a Floridian plate, so well official and rental. You me tell you, see two a big palm tree over one side one night time during the flight. Let them know, say yo, Anna every 4 months in book, regular every week. You me tell you, yeah man, I say guys I do it. Remember we promise you a mad set from Capleton. See it ya?
Them have their feelings, them a carry. Them done poverty and them can't say them sorry, Who do you think you are? We living in a small world. Hey Malta, tell them, say, Georgia City, Georgia Town, them can't turn it into no cowboy town. I know that. Malta me there, yeah. Mama and Papa, fit turn up the fire. Yeah man, Malta me there alive and living on the ground. Ready, pour fire. Badness, my dog go holy man bonus. Badness, long time I tell him to forgive it. Badness, tell the boy never want to live it up. When my dog says I want never have an eye. Badness, tell the man go holy man bonus. Badness, long time I tell him to forgive it. Badness, could I say the answer there? Malta! Oh!
What a performance, E family. Me tell you, say yo, Capleton deliver over Malta. Me tell you, say yo, him going and said, I'm a hit maker. Yeah, man, King Shango. Yeah, me tell you, whole heap of years in it and still a rock stage to this day. Yeah, man, rate the performance. It was a good energy. Yeah, me tell you, mega day set to, you know. So you know, say yo, a high energy. See him when I hot sun. Yeah, me tell you, yeah, man, good set from Capleton. So now we are see World Boom over there. Assemble for reach a killer show in the people. Barclays tomorrow, July 5th. Check out the vlog.
Barclays Center. Return of the General. Yes, man, and this the man, we outside. A trouble. So goodbye to haters. We so soon our friend. We are pray for Jamaica. We soon again. My brother life, I do on a life, Massacre life, return of the General Rodney Price, Brooklyn, New York, you know it go, Court, Rome. The General will always be the General, look. See it?
These streets full of poison and bad mind full of poison. Get a youth have to make it right now when them needs necessary anyhow. Them say them love you a girl, them a girl why you dead 6 months go so blow. Pain in my mind, pain in my mind, them want kill me through me clothes I design. Pain in my mind, pain in my mind, me at last so me with them can't find. I just pain in my mind, pain in my mind, and me God and gun protect mine. I just pain in my mind, pain in my mind, them sell me out 100 times. Hey, one time, pain in my heart, me not complain. Meds fast ground playing with high bus brain. Pray to the most high that I fall rain. Can't aim, can't trust them and them mind game. Can't trust the bikey and the pillion. You know what good you to jump out a brilliant. You have to know the gringo from the civilians. Pre the taxi, take care for the facts in my mind. Pain in my mind, them want kill me through my clothes I design. Pain in my mind. Pain in my mind, me at last summer with them can't fight. I just pain in my mind. Pain in my mind, and me God and gun protect mine. I just pain in my mind. Pain in my mind. Pain in my mind. Hey, poor boy.
Bands there. Walla with there, selector there, host there. Ricardo, feel good boss there. Feel good. Yes, sir.
Movie, tell him how the movie can't move me. Gun cold, me gon' never misuse it. Watch your 3 points, you will lose it. Movie.
Yeah, family, so you see that a world boom operation and the whole squad a roll. Let me tell you, yeah, man, it's a good look. You see, them a connect up for killer show there at the Barclays Center tomorrow, you know, people. And if they look good, you see, yo, Joe Bogdanovich roll out as well with Theme Squad for those connect and make a full squad. Yeah, man, while Apache a roll out to the general too. Yes, me I did. Yeah, so you know, so them a connect a killer show tomorrow. So you know, so yo, whole heap of surprises I got in store for Bounty Killer Show people. Remember, I saw the 5-star general listener. Much years him not reach New York, I think 15 years the last time I check, him not reach over there. So once him connect over there on the ground and then they fully know, you know, say yo, a different settings. You say me I did? Yes, man. So you know, say you have Idonia book, Massacre book, and the Gully God as well, book for show, you know, people. I remember so the Gully God have the big guns right now, you know. So you know when big guns drop in our Barclays, you know, people, and I not normal. I told wicked thing we are look for the Barclays, you know. We are look for killer set and we are look for that big guns they drop. Also we can expect any craziness after that, cause I tell you, alone surprises are go there in store, people. So make sure if you're in the New York area and you can reach at the show, just check it out, man, and see what I go on. You're not gonna regret it. Yes, man, a really good move. You me tell you. So now we are check out Malie Donn performance, you know, people over there in a US Virgin Island, you know. Yes, man, the G are going wicked at one night time. But we check it out.
Right now, me I look for your suspect with the best pussy. I can't find her in a USVI.
Where you at? Where you at?
Suspect with the best pussy.
Where you at?
Make your hands
Let me
up
see your
high,
hands
get
up.
out here. Pump my head. We want to understand me lingo. And the body too long, body too blood clot. And it make your girl, yeah, let me touch you to a lot of never. You ready? Girl, come to the tree never. You ready? Jump, right, jump. Antigua girl, girl fly your band. But Caribbean girl, my band. The band for the free, yeah. Antigua girl, yeah. Girl fly your band. But Caribbean. Who you talk about? Suspect on the left. Let's see punish and the dark off the room. You won't smile me like your type. Whoa! Hot girl shake up. Yeah! Talk to them, money! Every girl sing the part, yeah. Level. Antigua. Sing!
Malie Donn, that you know, people I perform over there at the US Virgin Islands. Him go on very well. Can see when him run out, him I get a big father and a big welcome from the fans them. Every time Malie Donn run out on a stage in the Caribbean is a big fad. It's like every other week the G book for a show. And when him fad out, him a deliver him best performance and make the people them enjoy themselves. Always respect that. Yeah, man. And recently he pick up an injury. Yeah, me tell you, it's like him hand get fractured or broken. No know how serious the injury did be. And him still run up on the stage show just a few days after that and deliver a wonderful set. You can't believe that. Yeah, man, I broke on a fracture and that him a perform with this, they say, you know. And I go on really good same way. You me tell you, yeah, man, a big performer right now in our game as a young youth. You me tell you, big up a G. So right now we are check out Valiant song on the storybook Riddim. Like him link Russian one I turn to the Riddim bad and vice up a mad tracking up people. Name Passenger Princess. See it a go on the tube that I get couple forward and it a trend as well. So we are just feature it and see how it a go.
My man for me. Anytime we fuck, your legs them get so weak. Speechless, I feel make her catch a deep breath. She said, tease me, enough things that for teach me. Put a little pressure on me and so you're brawling. Put up on her back as no me darling. No fucking at the night, still a fucking at the morning. Me know say you're tired but you're honey. Secret, and who you feel tell say you get wet. Your pussy na me and I it feel wet. Your man have no say get wet. She will par with me, go anywhere far with me. This a girl I love you rough fuck when she calls for me.
Some of you know when you think about a new Valiant, the family. On the storybook Riddim, you don't know Russian hit Riddim. The connect in a place somewhere the teacher gone. You don't know it last night. And then know Valiant to the passenger princess. Like him more forward come hit on the Riddim to, you know. Cause we see it get a big reception online. Couple of the girl them well I say yo. Them love our Valiant voice sound and it have them away. And we also see it a trend over there on the TikTok. You me tell you. So it a go on good online. We see how it a stay in the street. When it start rotating in the street the real way, cause right now it gone pan trending already. So looking from this we can expect to see it out up the street the real way, you know. Yeah man, it's a good song. You can check out the full song from PHP if it connect real way, let me tell you. Yeah man, very good song, let me tell you. So now we are check out a look happenings we sip on a side. The G have the rum in a black pocket, you know. Nah left it a ground and nah left it on a wall in a pocket it there. See for yourself.
Jamaica, watch them man. Jamaica load. Want to do this and beat me? Jamaica alone do this and beat. Yo, them man have skill till about rum in them pocket. Bumbo clock, Jamaica alone. Oh, you mean? One Jerry and nephew. Jamaica alone. Brawling. Brawling, Jamaica alone. Jamaica alone.
And one thing with we yard man still you know have a rump on board, you know, especially when I work I go on and want to build a vibes, make sure that I work the chopper fast. Since I saw Malta mix with two up on one room well quick. The room half of the on board, they can't they are grown alright the on one wall if you don't go pitch night or cement go flash and catch night. Yeah man the safest place. In your pocket or you're gonna arrest it on one side and cover it up or you just go and beat it till you don't know you're ready for put him back as if you know say one cup that. You see me? Yeah man, as a yard man, you know, say the rum and the boom after check in or the rum par, you know, it don't know the high grade of your blaze. Yeah man, from down a years. Yeah, me tell you. So if you make it through to the end of the episode, people, want to big you up and tell you thanks again. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Catch you in our next episode. Mad.